Hey guys, welcome to Bettye's cooking channel. Today I'm going to make some salmon croquettes. So let me get started. These are some of the ingredients that I'm going to use. I have 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 3/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of ketchup. That's spicy ketchup. You could use regular ketchup if you don't like things to be spicy. 2 teaspoons of prepared mustard, 3 garlic cloves, 1 cup of crackers. That is a half a cup of Duke's mayo, 1 whole onion, and a half of jalapeno. I removed most of the seeds from it. Okay, I removed the skin of the salmon. I'm gonna add the onions to the food processor, and then I'm gonna add the salmon. Add the onions. I added the onions. Now I'm gonna add the salmon. You can make these smaller if you like, it's up to you. All right, but they are very delicious. They are really delicious. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.